Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I am sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. And you have watched a lots of video on YouTube to unlock your smartphone, but still now you're not successful to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. The new method I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be 100% definitely unlocked. But watch this video till the end. Okay, and the main thing is that before starting this method, you will have to take care of something, that is your phone's battery should be charged at least 30%. Otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. Okay, so before starting this method, charge your smartphone at least 30%, or you may also use your smartphone charger at the time of using this unlocking method. And as you know that, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly you will have to switch off your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network, and for this simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Now you can see here there are lots of keys on the display, but you will have to go with the airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. Simply you will have to activate your phone's flight mode. After activating this, you can see here all the network has been switched off. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method. Simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this, and you will have to go with the option of an emergency SOS option. Simply click on this option. And when you will click on this emergency SOS option, your phone's dialing pad will be switched on your phone display like this. Now you will have to go with a special USSD code, and the USSD code is *#899 then hash. Now you can see there, after feeding this *#899 hash, a new page has been appeared, and lots of option on this is a page you can see with me. But you will have to go with the option of a manual test option at the fourth number. Simply click on this, and when you will go with this option, you will reach to a new page, engineers mode page. But you don't have to go any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other, which will comes at the end of the page. Okay, now you can see here there are lots of options on this page, but you can see here at the fourth number the option is showing here mainboard version, or it's also known as database version. Simply you will have to click on this mainboard version or database version 9 times rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now the first step has been done. Now the second step, you will have to go with the option of a read write important lock test option. At the first time when you will go with this option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here at the first time. Again at the second time you will have to cancel here, and the third time you will have to cancel here. But when you will go with the fourth time at this read write important lock test option, you will have to go with the OK button. And when you will go with the OK buttons, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and password has been removed. Okay, now after that you can see here there is an option of a key status. Now you will have to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. Simply you will have to go with this key status option, and when you will go with this key status option, now you can see here your all the keys has been passed. It means your phones has been completely unlocked. Now you will have to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So simply how will you check whether your phone has been unlocked or not? Now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on this home button to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So I am going to click on this home button. Now you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works, and if your smartphone unlocked with the help of today's video, then do the like this video. And if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of today's video, then make a comment which type of issues you are facing to unlocking your smartphone. Our team will quick response on your comment. Thank you so much.